everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this super easy, doable abstract nail art look that you only need very minimal tools for. I actually recently wrote a blog post on my 3 go-to polishes, and that is what I'm utilizing today. So I'll be using the Orly French Manicure Rose Colored Glasses, Orly's Inexhaustible Charm, and then Whatcha Nail Lacquer, Vegan Nail Lacquer, in the shade Princess and the Peony. So I have a blog post up about those polishes if you want to go check that out. But first up, I have already applied 2 to 3 coats of the Orly shade called Rose Colored Glasses, which is like my favorite perfector polish. It just really kind of makes your nail bed look super nice. I've let that dry, and then I'm going to put on 1 stroke of Whatcha's shade called Princess and the Peony. This is just a really light pink, so any light pink will work. And then I'm going to use this rose gold glittery topper from Orly called Inexhaustible Charm, and just put a stroke of that, kind of slightly overlapping the pink but not totally overlapping. I'm going to do this on all of my nails on both hands, and then I'll let it dry, and then I'm going to come in with some white acrylic paint and my favorite Dance 24 brush by What's Up Nails. And I'm going to create some like little starbursts or like little dots or little asterisks. I'm just going to kind of vary these up on the nails. I usually did like 1 little burst like I just did. Then I do the little asterisk like star, and then I do a cluster of 2 to 3 dots depending on the space that I have left on the nail. That's going to be up to you. Now, if you don't feel like you want to venture out and do a star shape, or maybe you don't have a nail art brush nearby, what I would suggest is doing just like 3 clusters of 2 to 3 dots like I'm doing right here. That way you can use a dotting tool, or you could use a toothpick. Really, you can use anything, and in that case you could also use white nail polish or acrylic paint. Whatever you have on hand is just really good to use. And this is such a simple design that you can do on both hands. I finished it off by letting it dry and putting on a shiny top coat, and I did this on both hands, but as you guys will see on the hand that I don't get to paint with my dominant hand, I just did clusters of dots, which makes it so much easier. So if you are trying to make it easier to do a hand that you don't normally do art on, I would suggest doing little clusters of dots because it still looks cute. And that is it for this design. It's super simple, super easy, and it's just such a fun design to wear, in my opinion. I've really been enjoying this kind of neutral, negative space like look lately because you don't notice much wear with them. It always looks nice, and it's a good way to wear a glitter that's not like a pain to remove because you don't have a ton on your nail, which I really enjoy. And yeah, so that is it for this design. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I think this is the first nail art video for this year too, so that's pretty exciting. And yeah, I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you are having a wonderful day and continue that. And just thank you so much for watching. And I will talk to y'all very soon. Bye!